Hey, did you know that a good job description determines the success of your search? It's not just about what needs to be done in the job, but also about how Google evaluates the quality of your text. A description that is too short or unstructured will be displayed less often. I'll show you how to make your job offer more attractive for both Google and applicants. From your homepage, simply click on the briefcase icon at the top and open the desired advertisement. Scroll down to the description section. Pay attention to the live recommendations below the text field here as well. The system gives you tips on the optimal length and structure. My tip: use clear bullet points for tasks and requirements. If you need support with the wording, click on the AI icon on the right. Our AI will help you create a professional and engaging text that meets all the criteria. As soon as your description is optimized and the recommendations turn green, your chance of receiving qualified applications increases massively. A well-structured text ensures trust and a better placement on Google Jobs. Of course, it's great to get the maximum out of this, but if for certain reasons it's not possible for you, for example due to fixed internal company policies or specific brand guidelines, that's completely okay too. Simply use the recommendations as a valuable guide to get as close as possible to the optimum. Good luck with writing your jobs.